Hello everyone, I'm here at the Oshawa Drive Test Center and I will be showing you route number 3 for G2 road test. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G. And if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you two questions. Check yes or no for this. Number one, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you click no on this, hit next, and then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on. And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car, bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995, 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please?
Sure.
Beep. Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Just watch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. Get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
In Oshawa, you will be asked to go right, so please make sure that you're putting your car in drive and then have your signal on to the right. Do a good 360 degrees check all around. And when you're coming out, please make sure you're looking left, right. Make sure there's no pedestrian, no cars, and then you'll have to turn right here. So once you turn right here, and then immediately you'll be turning left again. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and you're gonna be turning left again. Watch for pedestrian. There will be a lot of pedestrian here. And then here you'll be asked to turn right again. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we will be turning right here. There's a one-way stop sign. At the one-way stop sign, we are turning right. Again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Come to a complete stop here. Check for any pedestrian from both sides. No pedestrian, you creep in slowly. And check for any cars from the left side. No cars. Then you're gonna turn right here. So the speed limit here is 40. If there are any streets coming your way, please make sure you're checking left, right, and pick up your speed. And you will be asked to turn left at the oncoming traffic light. So we will be turning left there. So have your check your rear view mirror, signal to the left, check your blind spot to the left where the broken line starts, get in. So the traffic light is green. Check for any oncoming traffic, any pedestrian from the left side. So I'm not stopping, there's nothing there. I'm gonna turn left here. So once you turn left on this lane, once you're positioned, you pick up your speed after 15-20 meters, then you change your lane to right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then you're gonna go to the right lane when it's safe. Once your four tires are in the lane, you turn off your signal and continue on this lane. So the speed limit here is 50. Just stay at 50 speed limit. Any streets or any intersections coming your way, just check. The traffic light is turning red, so I'm gonna come to a complete stop here, right here. So when you are stopped at the traffic light, please make sure that you're checking all around. Check your rear view mirror, side mirrors, left side, and look all around. Do not just sit quiet doing nothing. So make sure that you're checking all these things while you're waiting for the red light. Again, guys, if this video is useful, if you think you're learning a lot of things from it, please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends and families who have road tests here at Oshawa. It will help them. Definitely they will know the routes, they will also know the tricks. And the traffic light turned green. I'm gonna check and continue here. So yeah, don't forget to write comments as well. So if you like the video, if it was useful, please leave me a good comment, so that will motivate me to do more for you guys in the future. And just continue here. A speed limit is 50. Just maintain a good speed limit here, and drive with confidence. Do not be nervous or anything. Very easy routes, very simple, straightforward. You might be asked to turn left here, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. I'm gonna change my lane to left when it's safe. And you will be asked to go left here, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, get closer to the yellow line here, and let's go left here. So I'm gonna stop here, check for any oncoming traffic, pedestrian on the left side, and I'm gonna make a left turn right here. Residential area, so you guys all know the speed limit is 40, so stay at 40 speed limit. And you might be asked to pull over for a roadside stop here, somewhere here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over for a roadside stop or emergency stop. So you're gonna come to a complete stop here. Once you stop here, then you have to push the hazard lights, put the car in park, pull your handbrake. That's a roadside stop or emergency stop. And then you'll be asked to pull out. So put your handbrake down, put the car in drive, and turn off the hazard lights. Check your rear view mirror, signal to the left, check your blind spot, make sure there's no cars coming from the left side, then you can go. And then we are gonna continue. So at this stop sign, you will be asked to make a right turn. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna come to a complete stop here, as this is a one-way stop sign. So stop, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and quick blind spot to the right, and we are gonna turn right here. So as you go here, stay away from any parked cars, and keep 1 meter space, and we're gonna continue on this road right here. Another always stop sign, come to a complete stop, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then continue here. All right, so again, it's residential area. We're gonna go left here, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. There's no stop sign, stay on your lane, go halfway, and then turn left right here. So when you turn left here, you might be asked to pull over for uphill or downhill parking. So if you are, you can pull over for one of those, and if not, we're gonna turn right here, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we are gonna turn right here. Quick blind spot, and I'm gonna turn right here. So there are some parked cars here. You'll be asked to do a parallel park, so let's do a parallel park with this car. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, stay 1 meter away from this car. Once the tail light is in the middle of your back door, then you're gonna turn your wheels all the way to the right, check your surroundings. There's a car coming, so okay, he stopped for me, I'm gonna go. All right, and then I'm gonna turn my wheels all the way to the left, check, and then go for a parallel park, just like that. So come to a complete stop. So once you stop, then you park your car, you pull your handbrake. So once you're done, and then the examiner will ask you to pull out, and then you'll have to bring the handbrake down, put your car in reverse, signal to the left, check back, reverse until you see the bumper of the car parked in front of you. Once you do that, then put the car in drive, check your rear view mirror, signal is already to the left, check blind spot, and then come out. So once you do that, and then continue, just come out just like that. And then you'll be asked to do a 3-point turn. Let's do a 3-point turn right after these two cars. So I'm gonna do a 3-point turn. There's a street there, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna turn right, or I'll go straight ahead, and then I will do a 3-point turn right here for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over, and we'll do a 3-point turn right here. So check your rear view mirror, signal to the left, check left and front. When everything is clear, you're gonna go all the way until the curb is under your mirror. You come to a complete stop, put your car in reverse, signal to the right, do a good 360 degrees check, make sure nothing is there, and then you're gonna go reverse. Check 70% back and 30% all around. So once your mirror is in the middle of the road, you stop, and then you put the car back in drive, signal to the left, check right, left, and then you're coming out. And that's it. That was a 3-point turn for you guys. A bonus. You guys got some bonuses there. Aside from showing you the route, I showed you some parking skills as well. All right, so at this stop sign, we will be turning left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and I'll be turning left here. Here, it's a one-way stop sign. I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. Mirror, left, center, right, left again, and I'm gonna creep in slowly, making sure no cars. And I'll go halfway, and then I will turn left. And just go straight, and at the upcoming stop sign we will be turning right again. So I'm gonna do a mirror, about 3 houses, mirror, signal, blind spot, about 3 houses or 5 seconds before. It's a Cobert Street, so I'm gonna come to a complete stop, one-way stop sign, check for pedestrian, left, right, and then I'm gonna creep in, check for any cars from the left side, nothing there, and I'm gonna turn right. And at this stop sign, I will be turning left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. And I'm gonna come to a complete stop. It's an always stop sign. So mirror, left, center, right, left again. And it's my turn, and I'm gonna go. Again, it's a residential area, guys. And as you guys can see, there are some sharrows with the bicycle lane. So we're sharing this lane with bicycles. If there are any bicycles or anything, guys, please make sure that you are very careful and do not rush. Just be patient and do not rush. So here we'll be turning right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we're gonna be turning right on Park Road South. Come to a complete stop, one-way stop sign, creep in, no pedestrians, so no cars from the left side, and I'm turning right. Stay on this lane. The speed limit is 50, so you can go to the other lane when you're asked to do a lane change. So I'm going to do a lane change here for you guys. When you're changing lane, please make sure you're checking your rear view mirror. Make sure that you know the car is far, the speed is okay, and then signal, and then check your blind spot, and when it's safe, you change your lane to left, just like this. And once your 4 wheels are in, you turn off your signal. And then you'll be asked to change lane back to right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and when it's safe, you're going back to the right lane, which is the driving lane. Again, the speed limit is 50 here, so do not exceed the speed limit. Any streets coming your way, just look left, right, and continue. Go through the Gibbs Street, so we're passing this one. And continue, because soon you will be asked to turn right on John Street to take you back to the drive test center. Very easy here in Oshawa for G2. You shouldn't be nervous. Just take it easy. Just stay calm. The calmer you are, the better you will perform. So we're going to be turning right here on John Street. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And it's a red light. I will be coming to a complete stop here. When you're stopping behind a car, again, make sure you have enough space. You should be able to see the tires and a little bit of the ground. Wait and keep on checking left, right, your rear view mirror. Green light, check for any pedestrian on the right side. If there is, do not move. Check a quick blind spot and turn right here. Once you turn right here, again, the speed limit here is 40 soon. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit here. Check left, right, and speed to 40, check left, right, and you will be asked to go left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and you will be asked to go back to the plaza. No oncoming traffic, no pedestrian on the left, and I'm gonna make a left turn here. So once you come back here, they might ask you to either go right or left. So we're gonna go left here, and you will be asked to park in one of these parking spots. So make sure you have your mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then you're gonna park in one of these parking spots right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you're sharing this video with your friends and families. Leave some awesome comments, like the video, and thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you are following me for more videos.